an HP printer. Apple AirPrint is a built-in print driver that allows you to print from an iPhone or iPad to most HP printers. Follow the steps in this video to first set up your HP printer with a Wi-Fi connection and then use the AirPrint feature. For additional printer features such as scanning and printer management tools, install the free HP app. Step 1. Set up the printer network connection. To use AirPrint, make sure the printer and your Apple device are connected to the same wireless network. On your iPhone or iPad, make sure Wi-Fi is turned on and there is a check mark next to the name of your local Wi-Fi network. If you are connected to a different network, tap the name of your network to join it. Restart the printer. And then check the printer network connection status. For most printers with a touchscreen control panel, touch the wireless icon or open the network settings or setup menu to view the network connection status. For most printers without a touchscreen control panel, make sure the light next to the wireless icon or button is on and not blinking. If your printer is connected to your Wi-Fi network, skip ahead to step 2. If your printer is not connected to your network, continue with this step. Place the printer within range of the Wi-Fi router signal and then connect it to the network. The method to connect your printer to Wi-Fi depends on your printer model. For most printers with a touchscreen control panel, open the Setup, Network, or Wireless Settings menu. Select Wireless Setup Wizard, and then follow the instructions to select the network name and enter the password. For most printers without a touchscreen control panel, press and hold the wireless button for 5 seconds or until the wireless light starts to flash. Within 2 minutes, press and hold the WPS button on the router until the connection process begins. The printer wireless light stops flashing when the connection completes. For HP DeskJet 6000 and 6400, NV 6000 and 6400, and Tango printers, press and hold the Wi-Fi button and the power button on the back of the printer for 5 seconds until the blue bar flashes. Within 2 minutes, press and hold the WPS button on the router until the connection process begins. The blue bar stops flashing when the connection completes. Step 2. Print from your Apple device. To print documents, photos, and web pages from your iPhone or iPad, first make sure the printer is turned on, cartridges are installed, and the paper is loaded in the paper tray. Open the item you want to print and then tap the Share icon or the menu icon. Scroll down and select Print from the list of options. Select your printer and then select print job settings such as paper size, number of copies, and page range. Available settings depend on the app you are printing from, the print job type, and your printer. For additional settings and scanning tools, install the free HP app from 123.hp.com or from the Apple Store. When you are ready, tap Print.